I'm super excited to tell you about the membership part of YouTube right now. I have recently changed some of the membership levels within my YouTube membership, so hopefully you guys will like it. It gives you guys a chance to support me, and it gives me a chance to get to know some of you guys better and to give you some of these really awesome perks that it would be hard to do otherwise because of the time. But if you guys are helping contribute, I can make some really cool content for you guys. The first thing that you're going to get if you're on the basic level is you're going to be access to the members only chat area, and in there I will be able to see if you write a comment. I'll be able to see your comment first. So that means on videos I'll see your comment, it will highlight that, you'll get a special badge by your name, and then also there's a member chat area where you will only see that, so other people that aren't part of the community won't see it. And everything that's in the previous level is also in the next level. So the next level is I have a ton of swatch charts that I do for all my videos, and you can sign up for them with the email, but that can kind of get a little cumbersome. So I have one special place that has like probably 30 to 40 swatch charts that I've made over time. It's a really awesome deal, and I'll be adding all the new swatch charts in there, so then you won't have to sign up for anything. You'll just go to the area after I release a video and you'll be able to get that right away. And that's at the $1.99 level. And I think the $4.99 level is you'll have access to my advanced swatch charts. So for example, I only do like 120 crayons, but in there I have all of the crayon packs, and you can get swatch charts for all of those. And I also have right now in there all access to the entire retired color list from Crayon. And I am going to put in like all the Prismacolor, different colors combination. Like I have 150 swatch chart, but then you'll have access to all of the swatch charts if you only have 32 or 24, or you have a special pack. I will have those in the $4.99, or you can buy those separately on my website. You can get those. They range anywhere from $5 to $10, because honestly, when you put those, especially like on Etsy, I put something in there for $1, and I think I was like, came out like 5 to 10 cents. So it's a lot better either buying it on my website or being part of this YouTube membership deal, because I think the creators get like 75% and then YouTube gets 25%. So it's really awesome for creators, it's really awesome for YouTube, and it's helps support everybody on this platform. And then the next level is we'll have a members only video. So what you'll do is if you're in that one, you can request a video, and then I will just do a video. And let's say, hey, you want to talk about markers or colored pencils or something like that. You want me to do a video, and I will do that with you, and then you can participate in the chat. I don't know if we might try to open it to Zoom, if that's something you guys are interested in. We can have like a Zoom link, and we can have special, like kind of one-off videos, so that way I can get to know you guys more and you guys can interact more, and we can have a lot of fun coloring. And then the next level is I will give you credit in my videos for being a supporter if you join at that level. So it's almost like on PBS when they're like, thanks for the support of these companies, or these individuals, that will be you. On my videos, you'll get a credit. I don't know if it's going to go at the beginning or the end, but you'll get a credit, or maybe in the middle somewhere. And I'll be like, these are my supporters. Thank you so much for joining at this level. It's like, at the zoo or something like that. But really get in on this, because I'm going to put a lot of great content. It might evolve over time. We might change some of these levels depending on what you guys want. So if you're a member and you're like, hey, I really want this, let me know, and then I can provide that for you guys, and we can kind of customize those levels to what you guys want and what I have time to do, and then we can all have fun, we can create, we can learn about these art supplies, we can even color, we can, draw, we can bullet journal, whatever you guys want to do, let me know, and we will put it in there, and it'll be a lot of fun. So I really hope that you join me in there. But you can get international, so anybody from anywhere can join. It's not limited just to the United States, but it's for anybody that wants to join. I hope you guys are really excited about it. I'm really excited for it, and I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.